At 10, two unsolved murders, both victims young girls. And police now say they now know the man behind both killings.
The major break in the case announced over the weekend, and tonight Team 12's Antonia Mejia is discovering new information about the suspect's past.
36-year-old Christopher Clements, accused of killing Isabel Celis and Maribel Gonzalez. 20 years ago, he was already a convicted sex offender, and his criminal history didn't stop there. Christopher Matthew Clements, now the main suspect in the Tucson murders of 6-year-old Isabel Celis and 13-year-old Maribel Gonzalez.
This investigation has been an incredible and successful partnership.
The 36-year-old man is no stranger to police. June 3rd, 1998, Clements is convicted in Oregon on a sexual abuse case. December 20th, 2002, a conviction out of Washington on identity theft. Court documents also reveal Clements failed to register as a sex offender in Oregon and in Florida. Clements also has a criminal history in Maricopa County. October 2015, court documents allege Clements and a second suspect lured a couple out of their home under the guise that they had a package that needed a signature at a Valley FedEx store. The documents say when the victims left, their home was burglarized and jewelry was taken. The same would happen with a second couple just days later. And then early this year, Clements indicted on fraud charges. Police aren't saying exactly how they were able to link Clements to the murders, but NBC in Tucson says Clements gave information about Isabel Celis. In exchange, prosecutors dismissed at least one burglary charge.
On March 3rd, 2017, after speaking with Clements, Tucson police investigators and FBI agents located human remains in the area of North Trico Road and West Avra Valley Road, which is the same general area where Maribel Gonzalez was located in 2014.
But the just-released indictment alleges more than just murder. Other allegations include kidnapping, burglary, theft, and sexual exploitation of a child. Clements will be arraigned next Monday. New details on this case are expected that day, and of course we'll provide that information as it becomes available. In the Alert Center, Antonia Mejia, 12 News at 10.